We back. It's your man, Little Peso. You know what it is. I got more stuff to review. Actually, today is a little bit different. Let me show you why. What is in the box? Yes, my first pair of sneaker boots. These are absolute fire. At the end of the day, you know your boy is broke. And so when you're broke, you gotta shop smart. And that's what I did. It's the end of the season, it's winter, but I wanted to cop these sneaker boots. Weather's not gonna be crazy, it's springtime, it's the Northeast, maybe we get a little more snow, some crazy rain. Let me cop these for next season. So the prices are good, and I got some fire. I got kind of inspired when I reviewed my girls' all-weather Air Force Ones. If you remember those, I'll drop a link to those in the description. Super fire, waterproof, beautiful material, special coating. I tried to cop a pair myself, but they didn't make them my size. So I was in Foot Locker the other day just randomly. These were there, had to pick them up. The Nike Mono Leather? I don't know, maybe I'm pronouncing that wrong, but beautiful. Straight triple black colorway. Black, 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 black everywhere you look. These are beautiful sneaker boots. If you've ever seen, Nike's got a really dope line of sneaker boots out there, and these are fire. Obviously a really rugged outsole, so if you're in snow, if you're in rain, you gotta go through the mud, you got these to protect you. They're gonna be easy to clean, they're gonna keep your feet dry and warm. I mean, just perfect for the season. I know it's not really a season anymore, but these are gonna work for next year. I'm looking on the inside, just the basic Nike branding, so nothing too crazy there. These are sneaker boots, so I wouldn't expect extra pairs of laces. I want to know what you think. Like this video, giving away $100. We get to 100 likes, I'm gonna pick somebody to get $100. All you gotta do is like it, hit done. Everybody who drops a comment is going to get a Not a Sneakerhead sticker pack. Let me know, are these fire, are they trash? Little Peso, and I'm not a sneakerhead.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching Not a Sneakerhead. You can subscribe here, or you can watch a video that I've selected just for you. Make sure you keep your sneakers clean and have a great day.